safe and supportive environment. Under this component, provision of sanitary facilities in schools are ensured. It is very important for the school to look after the safe and supportive environment for sanitary conditions in schools. Sometimes it has been noticed that these facilities are ignored, but they are a warning for that, because these conditions, they will be then the cause of many illnesses and diseases which would be really very harmful for the students. So it is very important to provide proper sanitary facilities to the students in the schools, and also to give them a training of using safe and supportive environment regarding the sanitary conditions. This means schools must be able to provide sanitary environment. There has to be an awareness of sanitary and the facilities which are provided in the school, and also the students should be able to know what does it mean by sanitary and what are the conditions which are safe for them, and how poor sanitary conditions can cause many diseases which would be very harmful for their health. Functionary sanitary toilets. The toilets must be in functioning condition. It should not be the situation where the toilets are blocked and children are facing sanitary conditions which are very poor and unhealthy, and due to which there are so many germs and bacteria being produced because the toilets are not functioning. Facility for hand washing. An awareness to the students regarding hand washing should be a regular practice in the school. The teachers and the school staff must emphasize on washing of hands. And when they emphasize it, they should also guide the students. Where are the places, where are the wash basins, where the children can use these wash basins to wash their hands. Also, liquid soap should be provided to the students, because usually the solid soap gets here or there fallen away, and then the soap is not available for the children to wash their hands. It is recommended that a bottle of liquid soap, which should be fixed near the sink, should be more easily available for everybody, and it will not even get lost or thrown away. So the students must be provided with the wash basins and the liquid washing soap, so that the students get into the practice of washing their hands. It has been noticed that in some schools, especially the primary schools, the wash basins are placed at the level of the child, which makes it very easy for the child to wash their hands. So that means it will be very helpful for the students to have the wash basins according to their height, size, and therefore they will be able to wash their hands comfortably and would be getting into practice of washing their hands before they eat or do any other activity. Supply of potable water. Again, drinking water is very important for the students to have clean drinking water, so that they are safe from any diseases that can be caused by the germs or bacteria of dirty water. So the students should be able to reach the facilities wherever they are, whether they are in a dispenser where the water is being dispensed, but even if they are kept in some containers, the students should be able to operate getting drinking water from those containers in a way that the rest of the water is not polluted. The conditions for getting the water for drinking should also be made very clear to the students, and also the arrangements which are there in place for the school to get drinking water should be also displayed very clearly to the students, so that they are able to get the drinking water in order to keep safe from any diseases that can be caused due to the use of polluted water, which could harm and affect their health and cause many diseases. So not only the provision of water, but also how the water is kept and how the students are supposed to manage and get that water. All these instructions must be clearly displayed, so that the students also know how to use the water and not to waste clean drinking water, because it is costing the school a lot of money to provide clean drinking water. And also the method to get that water should be followed by the students, and this awareness should be caused by the teachers so that the students are aware how they are going to get that water, how they are going to drink that water, what facilities are provided to get that water.